Hey guys, it's day 2 in Kyoto, and I think our first thing for today is to go to the Arashiyama bamboo forest. But first, we just got ready and we're gonna go eat breakfast right now.
Arashiyamaの竹林ですね。
This is the bamboo forest
Bamboo?
in arashiyama.
日本に引っ越してください。
Please move to Japan.
Guys, our dad had to go pee, so we're in the garden, and there's a temple here too. But it's like not bamboo. It's like by the bamboo forest, but it's not bamboo. It's just like trees. But it's really pretty. There's like a little pond, fountain, where you could like throw coins in. We're currently sitting, but if you decide to come to the bamboo forest in the Arashiyama, I recommend going to the garden as well. It's like 500 yen, I think, to get in. But then if you want to sit there like on the mats, you have to pay like 300 extra yen. But we didn't do that. So, but if you want to, but look, it's so pretty. So I definitely recommend coming and paying extra. Guys, I'm getting dango. I think it's like soy, and then they also got warabi mochi, and it's like the green tea one. Yeah, I'm so excited to try it because I always wanted to try the dango. We're gonna try it. It's like warm. It's really squishy. It's sweeter than I thought. Guys, you can make your own sushi box. That's what it looks like. You can like pick out the ones you want. It's so cute. Guys, we were just in the cutest little like shop, and they had like earrings and fans, and I got like these hair clips for my friends and myself. And then oh, and they had like little miniature like sushi. and it was so cute. Now we're gonna get some matcha powder, or like ceremonial matcha for our cousin, and also for Lauren and my mom. But then we want to get tax-free, so we might like try and like buy more stuff. Guys, we found the Miffy bakeries, like it's the Sakura Kitchen, and I marked this down on my Google Maps, but I didn't know it was like right next to the bamboo forest. So we're gonna go look at this stuff. They also have like merchandise too, besides like bakery items. Guys, we were just in Arashiyama, and like I strongly recommend going there because there's like the Miffy cafe and all these like cute like stores and like matcha and food. But now we're seeing the monkeys. I don't know why though. My parents wanted to see the monkeys, so. Guys, we had to walk up all those stairs and we're still like walking to see the monkeys. And my Lauren, she stayed behind because she was like not feeling like up to it, climbing all those stairs. It's all uphill. Had to tie my hair up and now I look like an egg. Hey guys, we just ate lunch and rested at our hotel for a bit, but now we're gonna go to kyoto. It's like this, I believe it's like this old village or like this old area with like more traditional like buildings and stuff, and like walk around there and then maybe go shopping later.
I know.
Guys, I found more hippers and smiskies. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get a hipper. Maybe I will. But look at this. These are so cute. This is dead. They have different ones. I actually like the exercise one a lot. Hey guys, we're around Teramachi Shopping Street right now, and we're in this like department store, and it has like Loft and Uniqlo and like the MoMA store. So we're trying to find our parents, but I ended up just getting a Smiski, and it's like, here, I'll show you. I can find it. It's the one, it's the dressing one. So I'm excited to open it. But yeah, we're just walking around here until dinner, and we're probably gonna get sushi. We're in Loft right now, and they have a lot of like stationery, and then the floor below has a lot of like collectibles and a lot of collectibles and toys. Guys, we're at a revolving sushi place, and I'm excited. Lauren's more excited though. It's really pressed. Guys, my udon just came. How do you open this? Okay, you lift that red thing. It's hot though. God, look at this. Make it. Oh.
Got it.
Ooh. So cute. Make it two. But yeah, back to opening my udon. Ooh, it has yubu in it. I also got tamago. Lauren's happy with her salmon and premium tuna.
We could order more again.
Guys, this corn mayo is really good. I ordered another one of these. Also, I love how you have like your own compartment.
Yeah, can you order me a
Also, we got this thing called cheese tempura, and I think it's just cheese that's fried. So let's just try it. Yep, exactly as I thought. Fried cheese. It kind of tastes like my hot dog on a stick. Lauren, how was your?
That's the thing we had at the table.
How was your salmon with tasty sauce? Tasty. Yay!
The mochi with the
Guys, after eating sushi, we're at I think it's called Shinyogoku, and it's like this long like strip with a bunch of like stores on the side, and it's like indoors. And I went inside anime, and then we also like went into gacha stores to look. There's also, I think this is a thrift store. Hey guys, we just came back from shopping, and yeah, I got a Smiski, so I'm gonna already like took it out, but I didn't unbox it yet. So yeah, I'm gonna do it in this video. And then I also got a few like Haikyuu and My Hero Academia stuff. But that's gonna be my haul video. So I'll unbox this now just because I can't wait. But yeah, so this is like the dressing collection, and I don't think you can see this that well because the quality's bad because it's dark. But they're all like really cute, so I don't really care which one I'm getting. But I think my favorite's the one where they're pulling over the sweater. Yeah, so open it. Okay. Oh my gosh, I got that one. This is the one I wanted. The one where they're pulling over the sweater. That's so cute. Aw. Okay, I'm happy. With a W pull. I just like randomly picked one too. Yay! Okay, so now that that's over with, thank you for watching this video, and I hope you come again. And tomorrow we're going to Osaka, and our train goes there in the afternoon. So yeah, watch that video. Bye.